Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Alexander County, Illinois, northwestern Mississippi County, Missouri, southeastern Scott County, Missouri, until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Charleston to Bertrand, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Bertrand, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, and Dealstadt. This includes Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 2 and 18. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and Alexander, Illinois. The